Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a video of unpacking of multi-kadai set of 8 pieces. This set has a 1-year warranty. It is induction friendly, gas compatible. It has a sturdy handle.
Or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
This should be the patra plate. This should be the steamer. And this part should be mini idli maker. This is the lid. And this is the kadai.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
So there are 3 plates in this box. These are the idli maker plates. So in each of these plates you can make 7 idlis at a time.
When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Just double up. Don't be scared.
I have found one more plate. This is for dhokla making. This is the steamer. You can make momos in this. You can also steam some vegetables.
Reason if they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you.
This is the mini idli part. You can make 19 mini idlis at one time in this plate. This is the kadai. I have found one warranty card in this.
Shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
And don't forget to subscribe.